being here. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for everything that you guys do. Again, this is a team effort, and we can't do it without the likes of you.
Within Child and Family Life, we have certified child life specialists, child life assistants who help to run all of our activity rooms and our teen room. We also have been able, because of the substantial support that Oliver Catcher has given us, we have been able to pilot some of our services in areas that didn't previously have.
What a great day. A lot of you guys, I appreciate you being out here very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.